Honda used to make two dirt bike models, XR and XL. The XR were racing motorcycles, whereas the XL were street bikes. Almost everything differed between the two ranges, albeit the engines were often designed from the same fundamental architecture. The XR was more powerful but featured taller seats and no road kit. Meanwhile, if XL was slower, but road legal. In Japan, most people purchased the street legal version, but they desired the added power and speed of the competition motorcycles. So a clever engineer considered placing the XR engine into an XL frame, and the XLR was born. And now, hot news from the automotive world is exciting adventure motorbike lovers. Rumors about the launch of the Honda XLR 750 R Baja are getting stronger after concept images circulated widely. Moreover, it is reported that this motorbike will feature the same engine as the Honda Hornet 750 with very promising performance. Rumors said that Honda is preparing a big step by releasing an adventure motorbike that can compete in an increasingly competitive market segment. By using the engine that has been proven to be strong from the Honda Hornet 750, the Honda XLR 750 R Baja is expected to be able to provide an unforgettable driving experience for true adventure fans. This new enduro bike is expected able to provide more than 90 horsepower and torque reaching more than 74 Newton, promising outstanding performance on a variety of terrains. This news became more prominent after the Honda XLR 750 R Baja concept image was released by famous designer Oberdan Bezzi. The concept image shows stunning design line with a modern touch, but still maintaining the essence of the legendary off-road motorbike. With interesting concept images and rumors about the Honda Hornet 750 engine that will be used, the Honda XLR 750 R Baja is the main highlight in the automotive world today. All eyes are on Honda's next move, whether this bike will become a reality and how much impact it will have on the global market. But unfortunately, there has been no official confirmation from Honda regarding this rumor. But fans' enthusiasm has been building, and they are looking forward to further information regarding specifications, prices, and the upcoming launch date.